it's Interpretive Ranger Callista again, sharing some of the chaparral community at Will Rogers State Historic Park. Those tall yellow flowers behind me are Brittlebush, and they are growing strong and large, and they have wonderful leaf structure like this. Not very good for the chaparral community, where wide, broad leaves are going to have a really hard time in our dry, very sun-exposed environment here. However, this green is temporary. What's going to happen in the summer is all of this is going to dry back and it'll look like it's actually dead. However, this plant is not an annual, which means it only lives for 1 year. It is a perennial coming back year after year after year. So it's just pretending, because in its roots and in its stems, it is still strong, still surviving. Now that's very different from this Laurel Sumac that I have here. It's one of the few plants that actually stays green, well, and red, year round. If you look at it though, look at these leaves. Taco shaped. That's how I like to describe it. Now the taco shape is one way that these leaves and this plant actually has adapted to this hot environment, because by having a taco shaped leaf, that means that it's not getting full sun exposure the entire day, that it's distributing that exposure throughout the hours of the day so that no section of that leaf is getting a full 10, 12, 14 hours of sunlight. So this is one of the few with that adaptation that means that it can stay green and still get that chlorophyll pumping to keep this plant going throughout the entire summer into the winter season. Kind of neat. You need different adaptations for the same environment here in the chaparral community.